The Lost Ring. Once a young man lost his ring. He went to search for it under the bright street light. Others who saw him desperately searching for a missing ring, came to help him. When no one was successful in finding the ring, people asked him if he was sure that he dropped the ring in this place. He said, "No, I lost it there," and pointed to his house. Furious, the people asked, "Then why are you looking for it here?" The young man, trying to look clever, said, "Because it is dark where I lost it, and this place is bright with light." Everyone thought he was a fool and told him to go and search for the ring where he actually lost it. What we can learn from this story is that while our success lies in preparing for the hereafter, we are too busy looking for it in this world. If we spend all our lives only looking for success in this world, we will soon leave empty-handed and take nothing with us.